I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and this is Monica's Home Project. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick DIY for my patio area. I'll list the supplies that I used to create this little project. I didn't really spend a lot of money on this. I used some of the stuff I actually had on hand. Going to be creating a tea, and after I create the tea, I also had some pieces of dowels. I used just one nail on each one. I did want them to be movable and adjustable just in case I wanted to change the design. I did add some string lights that I have. I just stapled them on top, and after getting all those stapled in, I did add one to the very middle where there's going to be a hook just to hook that onto the actual wall. to add a little bit more to the wreath, I did twine the lights around it a little bit. I did also buy some little bunches of baby breath at Walmart, so I'm just going to be adding those to the wreath to add a little detail. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to hit the subscribe button down below to join my little YouTube family. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, friend.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey drip.
Then after adding all the little extra bunches of baby breath to the wreath, this is how it's all coming together. I'm just going to be moving the chairs back to see how kind of all pulls in. I do still have to decorate and paint the table. I'll be doing that pretty soon. And I can't wait to see how it all comes together. Thank you guys so much for watching.
From a golden beat, it's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love.